Alright, so let me just orient you real quick. Front of the truck, right, rear, right here in the middle. This is your driver's door, okay? Let me show you the most difficult point to grease, right? So, you see that there. Let me show you a little bit better. Okay, so up in here, right? Why? There's a shield underneath, right? And then just getting inside there, you have to twist the propeller shaft, right? To expose the Zerk fitting. Again, this is what you're working with, right? You've got a whole bunch of, you got the tailpipe coming out here, you've got this little shield here, and you have to get inside there. That's what makes it really difficult. And so this fitting helps tremendously here. Now, in contrast to that, right, an easier one is where your rear propeller shaft starts, right up here. You see it's completely exposed, right? There's no shield underneath, nothing. You can easily get into that Zerk fitting. So I was less concerned about that one, although that still ends up saving time. I was more concerned about this one up here, which is a lot more difficult. Then you've got the next one, which is further up there, right up here. Now that one is relatively easy as well, because you can see there's no cover or anything, it's completely open. And then you've got all the way in the rear, which you can kind of see just behind here, right there, right? You can kind of see that. That is the furthest rear. That is nice and open. That should be easy as well. But the point is, with this tool, it's a lot easier to do all of these really quickly. So now that you're oriented, I'll show you what it took me to do it, and I'll let you know how it goes.